How to play Monopoly Go multiplayer. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. While playing Monopoly Go, it's mostly single-player game, but it offers several social and cooperative features that can feel like multiplayer interactions. So, once you have opened Monopoly Go, tap on the friends icon on the bottom right of your screen, which is marked by an icon of two shaking hands. From there, you can add friends via your contacts, that is, sync your phone's contact list, or you can add via Facebook, that is, link your account and add friends, or you can send invitation links by tapping on the invite option you see there, and then share via messaging or social platforms to bring others into the game. There are various benefits of adding friends, such as cooperative events and community chest. These mini games allow you to contribute and collaborate with friends, earning rewards together. And rewards for inviting friends, such as linking contacts or inviting new players, can earn you additional dice rolls, like 30 extra rolls, and by inviting multiplayers, up to 100 rolls plus coins. So, while the game does not actually support play together like live board games, these social features are the only multiplayer components and the only way to interact with players. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.